center-wise rank of top 500. Now, my lord, for 24 is the table 4. So Bhatinda they say only 5, Sikar they say 4, Sur they say 4. Now, my lord, they are comparing this with the data of 23.
We'll get that table.
Table 8, my lord.
Table 8.
Table 8 center-wise rank of 2024. My lord.
Yes.
So they focus on Bhatinda, Sikar and Surat, and they give the number of students. Now the next table, they are comparing the two tables to show that there is no abnormality. In the next center-wise rank of 23 of top 500, now they are comparing Rajkot with Bhatinda, Vijayawada with Sikar, Delhi with Surat. I do not know how they do it. If they are doing a comparison center-wise rank of two different years, they have to compare apple with apple. But they say no, we will do it like this. This doesn't make any sense whatsoever. And the argument I'm making is, Lord, they cannot take support of this IIT Madras report to say that there is no leak and there is no cheating.
No, that
and
is,
the only thing is,
they're saying if there is any abnormality, that's all. Whether there's a leak
IIT,
or not, you have to establish again.
Yes, the only thing is IIT Faridabad has not been able to pinpoint the red flags. They say we have not been able to find it. Everything seems to be normal. Now, Lord, may kindly see table 16 straight away, and then I don't want to waste Lord's time on this table because that is not a clinching on either side. Just to show that the kind of inflation is there, which is shown in table 16. And they say this is normal. I say this is not normal. Lord, may kindly see page 17. Now they have given the total number of candidates for 3 years with a rank of 550 to 720. Lord, this is the marks range 550 to 720. This is table 16. 2022 in this marks range. Lord, I have done the total. The total of 2022 from marks range of 550 to 720 is 49,134. Lord, may kindly note it somewhere. 49,134 is 2022 total candidate in the marks range of 550 to 720. For the next year, 2023, my lord, the number goes up to 64,520. If I total all the 4 categories given here.
For 2022, how much was it?
My lord, 2022, it was 49,134.
Yes.
23, my lord, this number goes up to 64,520.
And
there is an increase of 15,000 approximately.
And 24?
And 24, this figure goes to 1,42,137. So the increase is 77,000. So the previous year, the increase was 15,000.
How many students actually appeared in 2022, 23 and 24? Total students?
Yes, but there is an increase of about 1 lakh students.
2022, how many students appeared?
But it is 3 lakh students. 2.95 to be precise.
2.95 lakh students.
It will be more.
And 23.
No, it must be much more.
It has to be more.
Mr. Kaushik, in 2022, how many students appeared?
Okay. Yes, but I have this.
This is total.
Total number?
1,87,000.
Yes.
1 lakh?
It is 91. No,
I have the exact figures.
How about 18?
I have the exact figures.
I've got the figure, correct figures. It's 18,72,343 registered.
18,72,000.
17,64,571 actually appeared.
17 lakh?
17,64,571. Yes, 22. In 24 minutes.
23?
23 registered is 20,87,462.
Yes. How many appeared?
Appeared is 20,38,596.
And 24?
24 minutes registered is 24,06,079.
And appeared?
Appeared is blitz 33,297.
So between 22 and 24, the number who registered has gone up from 18 to 24, which is about, say, 33% increase. And those who appeared increased from 17.64 to 23, again about, say, 33%, 1/3 increase. So as opposed to the increased number of students, about 33% increase, the number in the top echelons has gone up almost by 300%, from 50,000 to 1,40,000.
The increase, but I have another.
Simply draw a correlation that therefore the examination is
Maybe
reached
they have made
there.
a lot also. But there is a reason given by blood else.
According to you, there was a reduction in the syllabus.
No, they have blood IIT Madras. IIT
Disclose in their response that there was a corresponding increase which we have placed on record. There is not a whisper. And just one thing more.
There was an increase in the syllabus.
There's an increase in the syllabus. And neither the IIT Madras is talking. IIT Madras.
How do you demonstrate that there was an increase in the
Well,
syllabus?
I have a document placed on record, but they can't deny it.
Show us that.
I will straight away show it. Just want to show it here. Just one thing. Increase of number of people in the examination in 2021 was 1,78,000. 22 it was 2.2 lakh increase. In 23 2.74 lakh. And 24 the increase is 2,95 lakh. So the increase is almost linear. From
About 33% increase every year.
But in terms of lakhs, what I'm saying.
It's about 1/3, roughly
1.7 lakh, 2.2 lakh, 2.74 lakh, and now 2.95 lakh. It's almost linear.
15%.
15% at every year. Here, the jump is not fivefold. In the number of candidates falling in that category, 77,000. Previous year, the difference was 15,000.
Can this by itself be indicated of a leak in the question paper?
No, I would say there is a smoking gun on the blood. Blood, it's a red flag.
How do you show that this
May kindly have my supplementary note circulated yesterday.
Your lordship would know, even in the first bracket, that is 700 to 720, there is a remarkable jump. In 2022, 99 students, my lord, fall within.
that goes up to 2321.
And 350 into last year. That is also almost murder.
Right.
So that keep on happening because many students appear, they could not make it, they reappear in the next year. These are the dynamics.
In that marks range, 22 to 23, the increase was 15,000. 23 to 24, in the same marks range, the increase is 77,000.
Mr.
You
have to have something more concrete.
That's right. I will straight away coming to the best part of my submission.
Here's the best part.
Yes, I will straight away coming just after showing that there is an increase in this labor.
What was that?
Yes, allow me, my supplementary submission circulated yesterday.
Nice name. Yes.
This annexure A, page 7. But the following syllabus was increase in the NEET UG 24 examination topic, increase in biology. But this is the topic added. And then on the next page, topics increased in chemistry. Then page 8 is the topics increase in chemistry. These are the topics added at page 8. And then page 9, topics increase in physics. Notified just 5 months before the examination. 18 topics were in physics, chemistry, and biology. And surprisingly, the conduct of NTA is that there is not a whisper that this syllabus is not only reduced or deleted part of it, but it is increased also. They should have come clean. Now, straight away, this Honorable Court on the last date of hearing directed NTA to identify, first of all, this Honorable Court directed that how the paper was set, how it was sent to printing, then how it was sent to the centers. The chain of custody. Now, in the chain of custody, their reply is...
Now you're going to the most important point.
It, straight up.
So, what is the submission now? You just formulate it.
Yes, the submission is, their own case is that the questions papers were dispatched for the respective cities on 24th of April 2024. I'm sorry, 24, no, overall, 24th of April 2024, the papers were dispatched through a reputed courier company, which is a private company in any case. Their name has also come out in everywhere. And it reached the SBI and Canada Bank on 5th of May 2024. 3rd of May, I'm sorry, 3rd of May 2000. It was in rickshaw.
Now, just one clarification. They were sent to the SBI Canada branches in those cities, or what happened? Where were they sent to?
They were sent to the cities.
So wherever that's your total exam, the exam was held in how many cities? 571 centers in 90, how many cities?
571 cities. 4,750 centers.
Right, because we had said that last.
With regard to the interesting part now comes.
So these papers were sent to SBI and Can Bank in these 571 cities.
That's right. This is what they say in their reply.
Each of these cities had a SBI branch and a Can Bank branch.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And the dispatch, not may notice this date.
So they were dispatched on 24/4.
74.
And reached on 3rd May.
The receipt is 5th of May 2024. 3rd of May. 3rd of May 2024.
So the time gap is about almost 9 days.
Yes, this is one aspect. They have not diverged. Now, please,
He is referring to Patna.
I'm not referring to Patna. I'm coming to
We are not
Hazaribagh and then Patna. I'm not. That is a separate story.
Nagarik.
Hazaribagh.
Papers were sent uniformly on the 24th of April.
No,
That I will explain.
Hazaribagh.
As CBI has investigated the entire chain from the printer till it is delivered to the center, and how there are checks and balances, sealing, GPS tracking. If there is any tampering, then the GPS immediately sounds alert that there is at some stage at this particular place on this particular date there is a there are digital lockers, locks, etc. I have given that detail. There is a 7-layer security, 7-layer safety features.
And now, what has come on record? Now I'm straight away coming to that. Dispatched on 24th of April 24. I'm sorry, 28th of April.
But you just said 24. So was it legal?
With regard to Hazaribagh,
No, one thing we want to know. Let's be clear on facts. Was it dispatched for all centers, all cities on the same day?
Yes, let's from the printing press, but its destinations are different across the country, including Andaman Nicobar. It takes separate time, so we have
That you're right. But for the dispatch across the country, did the papers leave the printing press on the same day?
They start leaving. They start leaving. Depending on the distance between 24th April to 28th April. They are dispatched from the printing press.
May I explain that system, how it starts and how it is received by the center?
So the printing press basically distributed the answer sheets and the question paper.
There are two printing presses because there are two papers.
Right.
One of them is to be chosen.
Right. So the two printing presses started distributing the question papers between the 24th and the 28th
In different cities.
in different cities.
24th to 3rd May. For others, with regard to Hazaribagh, 28th to 3rd of May.
For dispatch.
Yes, my lord. Dispatch for Hazaribagh, they say in the affidavit, NT-affidavit, I just want to read, because in deference to my lord's direction, that how it was transported, you specify. They filed a reply. I want to read one paragraph of the lord NTA additional reply, page 6. Lord NTA additional reply. Transportation of question papers to custodians. I'll just read it and not.
But I am not
Then
thinking adversarially, this would help you also. Understand the system.
Please let me read it and then.
All right, where is the NTA additional reply page?
My lord, page 6, my lord,
958.
which deals with NTA additional reply, my lord. This is 10th of July.
PDF page 953 transportation.
Say the sealed trunk was handed over to a reliable all India logistic company for transportation and was dispatched based on distance of examination center across the country. The sealed iron trunks for Hazaribagh, Jharkhand were dispatched on 28th of April 2024. The authorized company loaded the sealed iron trunks into a dedicated closed body vehicle and an electronic lock was put on the door along with one-time seal. The movement of this vehicle was tracked by the logistic company. The truck has also the digital lock with a GPS tracker giving real-time information.